Hello eBay customers, this is the small promotional video for the differential backlash adjusting tool for Land Rover diffs. It's 3 times the pins compared to the competition. What you'll find is the competition has the 3 pins like that, and with a couple of diffs rebuilds, what you'll find is one of these pins will snap and then the other 2 will follow in close succession. So we put 6 in as an obvious sort of doubling up of the torsion of the torque load ability. Sometimes when you back and forth in these quite a bit, getting the final adjustments with your dial test indicator, they take a lot of stress. The other reason we put the 1/2 inch drive tight, it's a very tight cut because the original ones tend to get very baggy and sloppy around here, so these are a unit designed for professional use. So thank you very much for watching. I think currently they're half the price of the competition and twice as strong, so thank you for watching. Cheers.